See here, next question number 3. Consider given curve x y is equals to, see, it is one equation. We know that radius of curvature at any point t x comma y is rho at p, that is equals to 1 plus y dash whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. This is equation number 2. Now, one implies x y is equals to, c, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Now, x into y, differentiate d by dx of u v. We know the formula, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is the formula, x into y. So, see, x into differentiation of y is y dash plus y into differentiation of x is 1 is equals to 0, constant 0. So, see, now x y dash plus y is equals to 0. Now, x y dash, that is equals to minus y dash is equals to minus y by x. This is the y dash. This is equation number 3. Now, same, differentiate 3 with respect to x on bs, both sides. Now, this is y dash, means y double dash minus of, this is u by v, v into u dash, this is u by v, integration of u by v. We know that v into differentiation of u means y dash minus y into x differentiation is 1 by v square means x square. See here, this is the formula, u into v dash v into u dash by v square. Substitute this, u by v means, now see here, y double dash minus of, in place of y dash is minus y by x minus y by x square, x cancel, minus of minus 2y by x square, minus into minus plus y double dash is equals to 2y by x square. This is the y dash, y double dash. Now, we know that rho at p 1 plus y dash means minus y by x whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash means 2y by x square. So, see here, 1 plus y square by x square by 2y by x square, but here 3 by 2. Take LCM. By x square. Take LCM, x square plus y square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by 2y x square. See here, square root cancel, x cube. See, x square plus y square, here x square, here x cube means 1 x remaining. X take here 2xy. See here, I am writing once again. X square plus y square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by 2y into x, 2xy answer. Question number 4. Find the radius of curvature for x cube plus y cube is equals to 3a at p 3a by 2 comma p 3a by 2. Xy value given here, p of x comma y value is given. Solution: consider given curve x cube plus y cube plus is equals to 3a xy. It is 1. Now we know that ROC, radius of curvature, rho at p 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2, that is equals to 1 plus y dash whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. Now see here, equation 1, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Now x cube means 3x square plus 3y square y dash. See here is equals to 3a into x into u into x into y dash plus y into 1. This is the differentiation of xy. Now see here, 3 take common, 3x square y square y dash 3a x y dash plus y, 3 cancel. Now see here, x square plus y square y dash is equals to x y dash a into ay. This is the equation number 3. This is 2. Now in this we know that p of 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2. Substitute this in this, 3a by 2 whole square plus 3a by 2 whole square y dash, that is equals to a into 3a by 2 y dash at p, y dash at p plus a into 3a by. Now see here, multiply this square, 3a square means 9a square by 4, 9a square by 4 plus same 9a square by 4 y dash at p, that is equals to 3a square by 2, okay, y dash at p plus 3a square by 2. See here, I am taking this into this side and this into that side. When I am taking this in this side, 9a square by 4 y dash at p minus 3a square by 2 y dash at p, that is equals to 3a square by 2 in plus, sorry, here plus, so take right side minus 9a square by 4. See here, I am taking LCM, 4, y dash at p is common 4, so 9a square minus 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 2 into 3, 6a, that is equal to same 4, 2 to the 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 4, 2 into 3, 6a square minus 4 into 1, 4, so 9a square. Now see here, take minus 9 minus 6, 3a square by 4 y dash at p, that is equals to minus 3a square by 4. See here, cancel y dash at p, that is equals to minus 1. Now see here, y dash at p comes. Now we are simplifying y double dash at p. I am roughing this. See, here y dash at p is minus 1. No, equation 3. What is 3 equation? X square plus y square y dash, that is equals to ax y dash plus ay. Now here same, once again differentiate with respect to x on BC both side. See here, x square means 2x plus this is u into v means u 2y, this is not sorry, y square into this differentiation of this double dash plus y dash into 2y y dash, that is equals to a into x into y dash y double dash plus y dash into 1. Ay means ay dash. Now see here, 2x plus y square y double dash plus 2y y dash square ax y double dash plus y dash plus ay dash, multiplying here a, so a. See here, now we know that y dash at p is minus 1. Substituting this above, 2x plus y square, sorry, we know that xy values also p of 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2 y double dash at p. I am substituting these values in this, 2 into 3a by 2 plus y square means 3a square by 2 whole square y double dash at p plus 2 into 3a by 2 minus 1 whole square, that is equals to a into 3a by 2 y double dash plus 2 a into y dash means y dash. See here, a plus 2a y dash. Now see here, 2 cancel, 3a plus 9a square by 4 y double dash at p, 2 cancel plus 3a minus 1 square means 1 A means 3a square by 2 y double dash at p minus 2a. Now see here, I am roughing this. Now see here, I am simplifying this. 3a 6a 6a plus this is 9a square by 4 y double dash at p. Okay, now this that is equals to 3a square by 2 y double dash at p minus 2a. I am taking this right side, 9a square by 4 y double dash at p minus 3a square by 2 into y double dash. See, I am multiplying this 2 by 2 y double dash at p, y double dash at p, that is equals to, I am taking this right side, minus 2a minus 6a. Now see here, 2 to the 4, so here 9a square, here 6a square, 9a square by 4 minus 6a square by 4 y double dash at p, that is equals to minus 8a. See here, 3a square by 4 y double dash at p minus 8a, y double dash at p, that is equals to 4 8 ja minus 32a by 3a square. A cancel, sorry, here a square, here a cancel, so 32 by 3a, this is the y double dash. Now we know that y dash at p is minus 1. We know the formula. We know the formula, rho at p x comma y means 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2, that is equals to 1 plus y dash means minus 1 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash means minus 32 by 3 by a. Now see here, I am taking 3a into 1 square means 1, 2 power 3 by 2 by, I am writing 32, 2 power 5, 2 power 5 means 32. Now see here, minus 3a, 2 power 3 by 2 minus 5, minus 3a, 2 minus 7 by 5, neglect minus sign, neglect sign, minus sign, answer is 3a 2 power minus 7 by 5, this is the answer.